Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing another eye look, and I think I'm just gonna keep them going for a while on the channel, but I'm really excited because I'm gonna be creating this cotton candy look. It reminds me of cotton candy, and cotton candy is really one of my favorite candy slash sweet, you know, get that sugar rushing. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let us begin with the cotton candy eye look. I'm really sorry about the lighting. I know it's not great. I am filming a bit later in the day and the sun has gone down, and when I put on my ring light there's like weird shadows in the background, so I'm just like, I feel like this is just a better quality for you guys. So yeah, I hope you'll just bear with me. But exciting eye look coming up. I'm going to be using my unicorn sauce palette from Switch Beauty. So let us open it up and see what beauty is in this. Hello. I mean, it is gorgeous, you know, and this is really a great palette if you want a variety of colors, and bold colors, light colors, they look good on any skin type. So I would really recommend you guys get this. But let's just get into it. The first color I'm going to use in my crease is this bright pink color right here, and I'm just going to take this fluffy brush. So remember, windshield wiper motions. Once you dab in, you just want to tap off the excess so you don't have a lot of fallout. But I've used this palette before and it's really pigmented. Hope you guys can see the pink, but we are gonna build it up, so don't worry. And my eye look is gonna match my background. Exciting. Just go back and forth, back and forth. It's a lot of blending. Obviously a lot will be fast forwarded, but just to let you know, real time, it does take a while. Maybe like 20 minutes, you know, just for the whole eye look, I mean. So don't see the video 6 minutes, but there was a lot of editing and stuff to do, so you just take your time, you just blend. And remember, you want to have a very light hand, and as you can see, I'm holding the brush at the end so I don't apply too much pressure. Still same color. Now I'm gonna go with a smaller brush, and we're gonna go in with this color right here, so right underneath that color we just did. Now to smoke it out a bit, I'm gonna use this black color right here, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner corners, so it's gonna bring some depth into this look. And I'm still using the same brush. The black actually makes it look somewhat purple, but it's okay. It's still gonna look like cotton candy. It's a smoky cotton candy. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it that. Gonna go back in with the pink. just to make sure it's not too dark and that the pink still shows up. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and just blend everything together and make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Now you're probably thinking, Thato, really, is that it? No, we are not done. We have one more color, and it's this pretty color right here. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna use this flat brush. I'm just gonna spray it with Fix Plus, or you can just wet it, you know. I'm just lazy, so ooh, look at that. Really, it picks up so nicely. And we are gonna put it on the lid. So we're gonna start from the inner corner going out that way. Can we just take a moment of silence for this color? Okay. So we're gonna stop halfway because we want to cover the black in the inner corner. What you do on one eye, you do on the other side. We are done. It looks pretty. Well, I like it. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with this dark pink underneath the eyes. And I'm just gonna use this angled brush. It's actually the eyebrow brush, but child, you can use it for anything, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with the Falsies Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. And of course, falsies. I'm going to use my falsies from Isla, and these are in the style Flower Girl. The lashes are on. Now I'm going to go in with lips. So I'm just going to use my MAC lip liner in the color Moth. And I'm going to use my MAC lipstick, and this is Cream Sheen Modesty. And my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. This is the final look. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I had fun doing it for you guys. And yeah, I'm actually done with tests now, so I can film, you know, in peace and not having to stress about anything. But thank you guys so much for tuning in again. I just wanted to give a subscriber shout out to Trifina. Thank you for your love and support, girl. I see you commenting. Thank you so much. If you would like a subscriber shout out, please just hit the red button down below, and also please click the bell so you guys know every time I post a video, which is every week. But yeah, I love you guys so much. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.